One of the things I miss most about cruising, especially Caribbean cruising, is a sea day. My name's Eric, and I love to cruise. No port to rush to, no schedule you have to follow, just an entire day to enjoy the ship, the ocean, and the moment. Today I want to walk you through what a Caribbean sea day feels like to me and why it's one of my favorite parts of cruising. A sea day often starts early for me. I love waking up before most of the ship, grabbing a light jacket and heading out on deck. The air feels fresh. The ocean stretches endlessly in every direction, and everything feels quiet and peaceful. Walking the deck in the early morning is one of those simple pleasures. You hear the waves, you feel the gentle movement of the ship, and for a little while, it feels like the world belongs just to you. It's the perfect way to start the day, calm, unhurried, and grounded. After that walk, I usually head to the gym. There's something different about working out on a cruise ship. Large windows, ocean views, natural light pouring in. You're exercising, but it doesn't feel like a chore. You're moving your body while watching the sea roll by. It's energizing and it sets the tone for the rest of the day. After the gym, it's time for breakfast. I love breakfast on the Lido deck. The smell of the fresh food warming up, the sound of plates and conversation, people easing into their day. Sometimes I like to get a mug of hot chocolate. You grab what you're in the mood for, maybe something light, maybe something indulgent, and sit down knowing you've got nowhere else you need to be. That's one of the best parts of a sea day. No rush. After breakfast, I like to take a look at the daily schedule. Cruise ships always have something going on: fitness classes, lectures, music, games, shows. I'll flip through it, circle a few things that sound interesting, and then remind myself that I don't have to do any of them if I don't want to. That freedom is everything. Sometimes I'll join a fitness class by the pool deck. There's music playing, the sun is shining, the ocean is right there. Other times I'll choose something completely different. I'll grab a book, find a lounge chair, and just sit back watching the water roll by, page after page. That moment when the only thing you're doing is reading and listening to the sea, that's when you realize how rare true true relaxation really is. By lunchtime, I'm ready to eat again. On sea days, I really enjoy lunch in the dining room. It's quieter, more relaxed, and it's a great place to meet people. You end up chatting with fellow cruisers, sharing stories, laughing, talking about past cruises or future trips. Strangers become friends, even if just for that meal. That sense of community is something I always miss when I'm not cruising. After a lunch, a visit to the spa is hard to beat. Sauna, steam room, warmth and quiet. It's like pressing a reset button. You slow down, your mind clears, and you feel completely relaxed. After that, a refreshing shower feels amazing, and by then, a nap is calling. There's no guilt on a cruise nap. You head back to the cabin, draw the curtains, and let the gentle motion of the ship lull you to sleep. When you wake up, you feel refreshed, ready for the evening ahead. Maybe you stop by a lecture in the theater. Maybe you listen to a speaker talk about travel, culture, or the next port. You take what you want from that day and leave the rest behind. As the sun starts to set, the ship comes alive again. There's often a Caribbean vibes band playing on deck or in a lounge. The music is upbeat, the atmosphere is joyful. People are smiling, swaying, dancing. You don't have to be a great dancer. You just have to feel the rhythm. That energy, that shared joy is something I miss a lot. Then it's time for dinner. The dining room feels elegant in the evening. Multiple courses, attentive waiters, great conversation. You take your time, you enjoy every bite, and you realize how special it feels to sit down and truly enjoy a meal. It's not rushed, it's not noisy, it's an experience. After dinner, there's usually a show in the theater. Singing, dancing, comedy, something that brings everyone together. And afterward, one of my favorite moments of the day, an evening walk on deck. The night air is cool, the stars stretch above you, the ocean disappears into darkness. It's peaceful in a different way than the morning. Sometimes the night ends with more music, a band in the atrium, a lounge with dancing, a familiar song that gets people moving. You dance a little more, you laugh a little more, and before you know it, the day is over. A Caribbean sea day can be busy, but it never feels rushed. It's full, but never overwhelming. And that's what I miss most. The freedom, the variety, the balance between activity and rest. If you've experienced a sea day like this, you know how special it is. And if you haven't yet, I hope this gave you something to look forward to. Thanks for cruising along with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.